In this question we are told that x into y square into z to the power 3 is equal to 2 to the power 12 into 3 square, where x, y and z are all positive, and we are asked to find out the minimum value of 3x plus 2y plus z. So we are given a product of x, y and z, and we are given a sum of x, y and z, and we are asked to find out the minimum value of the sum. In these kind of questions we should always use the arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean theorem, but we should be slightly intelligent before we use it. The best way to use it is to ensure that we split the sum into respective parts of x, y and z such that the number of parts of each of the variables x, y and z match the power of x, y and z in the product. For example, in the product, the power of x is 1. So the sum has 3x, so let us leave 3x just like that so that it will be just one number, that is, it is just one term of x. Then power of y in the product is 2 because it is y square. So let us split 2y into two parts. So 3x plus y, and the power of 3, the power of z in the product is 3. So let us split z into three parts in the sum. So 3x plus y plus z by 3 plus z by 3 plus z by 3. This is the sum that we have to minimize. So now let us use the arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean on this particular expression. So am plus gm ensures that the number of terms in the sum is 6. So the sum divided by 6 is always greater than or equal to the product, which is 3x into y into z by 3 into z by 3 into z by 3 whole to the power 1 by 6. What is the product on the right hand side? If you simplify this, this is x into y square into z cube into 1 by 9. As you can see, you have 3 3's in the denominator and 1 3 in the numerator. We already know the value of x into y square into z cube, that is given in the product. This will equal 2 to the power 12 into 3 square. So 3 square is 9. So this can be simplified to equal 2 to the power 12 whole to the power 1 by 6. Or this will equal 2 square, which is equal to 4. Or essentially the left hand side, which is 3x plus, now we can again club all of them together, 3x plus 2y plus z divided by 6 is greater than or equal to 4. Or the value of 3x plus 2y plus z is always greater than or equal to 6 into 4, which is 24. The key step to note over here is splitting the sum into the number of parts which is dependent on the power of each of the variable. As the power of x is 1, we use 3x as a single entity. As the power of y is 2 because it is y square, we will split 2y into two parts, that is y and y. As the power of z is 3, we will split z into three parts, that is z by 3, z by 3 and z by 3. And then just use the arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. Anyway, the minimum value of the required sum in this particular question will equal 24.